Welcome to Topaz Church Manager User Tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn everything we need to know about pledges. It is very usual for people to make pledges towards certain major events in the church. In such cases, what the application allows you to do is, to record the pledges, view, edit and delete your recorded pledges, post the recorded pledges, pay those pledges, view your paid pledges and their respective pledge balances, and post your paid pledges. After the pledges have been made, you must record the fact that these pledges have been made. After which you can view, delete, and edit them. After recording them, you must post these recorded pledges. This will mean that the pledges have now been duly acknowledged by the church. After posting, you are now allowed to pay the pledges based on the period and frequency of payment the church member chose to pay with. Then, again, you are allowed to view and edit your paid pledges and their balances to correct any mistakes. Finally, the church acknowledges these payments by having them permanently posted. To add a new pledge, move your mouse over to the menu item called Church Finances. Select Pledges and click on Add Pledges. The interface for adding pledges will load. Again, you are allowed to search for the member who made the pledge based on specific criteria using the search box provided. Type in the information about the member you want to add and click the search button or press the enter key. Make sure the name of the member is displayed in the member name box. Choose the pledge event that the member pledged towards. Please take note, when adding pledges, please be specific about the year in which the event will take place. That way, payment of pledges is made easier, since it is event specific. You must always remember to specify the currency being used. Then, type in the amount pledged by the member. I will use 3,000 CDs as an example. Choose the date on which the pledge was made. I will use August 3, 2018 as an example. Then, choose the date the member wants to begin payment. I will use August 4 as an example. Then choose the frequency of payment and the duration over which the member intends paying the pledge. For example, a member can choose to pay on a monthly basis for 1 year. In my example, the member chooses to pay monthly for 8 months. Notice that the end date also changes according to the period of payment. Please note, without choosing a start payment date, the end date will not be displayed. Finally, click the Save button to add your pledge. To verify that your new pledge has been added, open the page called Pledge Records. Ensure that all the details of the pledge are correct. Then, just like posting a tithe record, click inside the small box beside the record and make sure it is checked. Then, click on the Post Pledges button. Please note, only posted pledges can be paid. The posted record should be deleted from the Pledge Records table. Then, to verify that the pledge has been posted, go to the page called Posted Pledges. Your new pledge must show in this table. Please be certain of pledge details before posting, as posted records cannot be edited or deleted. Let's move on to another feature called Pledge Payments. Move your mouse over to the menu item called Church Finances, select Pledges and click on Pledge Payment. The pledge payment interface will load. Now, to pay a pledge, use the search tool to specify the member details. Then choose the pledge event towards which the member pledged. And click the search button. Once again, the member details will load. Cross-check the member name to make sure it is correct. Next, choose the mode of payment the member is using to pay. For all other options except bank, the space for bank and bank branch must be empty. Otherwise you must specify the bank and its branch. You must then choose the currency in which the money is being paid. I will choose the Ghana cedi as an example. Then, input the amount which is being paid. I will use 300 cedis as an example. And the date on which the payment is being made. If there is a check number involved, please specify it in the box. Then, click the Save button to finalize the payment. The new payment must show in the table at the bottom of the page. The next step involved is viewing your pledge payments. Move your mouse over to the menu item called Church Finances. Select Pledges and click on Pledge Payment Records. Another page will load, called Pledge Payment Records, where you can view, delete, and post your pledge payments. Again, you must cross-check the data to make sure it is correct before posting. Click inside the small box beside the record you want to post. You are allowed to post as many as 10 records at a go, by clicking on the first small box on the top left corner of the table. Then, click the Post Payments button to post your records. The posted records must be deleted from the current table. Finally, you can view your posted pledge payments in the page called Posted Pledge Payments. Again, move your mouse over to the menu item called Church Finances. Select Pledges and click on Posted Pledge Payments. A page called Posted Pledge Payments will open. There, you can view your posted pledge payments without being able to edit or delete. If you encounter any challenges, please check your internet connection. In case the need arises, you can contact SISCO for further assistance. Thank you for your attention.